What up, my sham wows? It's your boy. We about to do an unboxing. I just realized as I started filming, this bitch is upside down. Maybe it's not. I don't fucking... I don't see it right side up. I guess maybe I got it right the first time. I don't fucking know. Anyway, it's your boy. We gonna do an unboxing video. We gonna unbox this thing I got from a fan. From a fan. Oh my god. Got my knife. This is the thing that slice my wrists with. I don't do that. Say no to drugs, kids. I'm slowly opening the box. This might be the sex doll that I ordered back in July of 1982. I don't know. I wasn't quite alive yet. Alright, let's see what this bullshit is. Okay, I can't fucking open boxes. Tape sucks. Who the fuck did this? Anyway, it's your boy. We got the box open. What the flying crap? Why? Who did this? I'm trying to not be like, oh, it's the jokes and the... That's just really stupid. I'm like, what the fuck? Well, that's not going back in the box. It's kind of unusable. Hey, what's this shit? Hey, it's from GameStop. What the fuck? Okay, but I got packaging. Fucking sexy ass packaging. Also, pretty used. Alright, let's get this out of there. You don't need to see nobody's dress. Alright, what the fuck is this? Alright, I got some games. I got some Nintendo Switches, I don't fucking know. Was here at the bottom. Oh shit. We got the Mario Odyssey. It's odd to see Mario in general. He's not very good. I don't like him. He's alright. I prefer Luigi. He needs to get in Peach's peach hole. 'Cause sex reference. We got Zelda, the breath of the wild breathings. I don't know. Does the wild breathe? Can you hear the colors of the wind? Fuck bitches get money. And we got the best game ever. Pokken Tournament. Dicks. You got it. It's got all the creatures that you loves. You got the Pikachu and the Charizard and there's two Pikachus. Okay, that's a thing. And I recognize the Punchy Frog and the Kicky Chicken, the Kickin', and a lamp. It's a fucking lamp. Okay, we got the Shark Dragon and the praying mantis beetle that punches. I don't fucking get it. Oh, and we got the best one. The best Pokemon, Empoleon. Not that fucking shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm gonna go die in a fire. Empoleon. Sup, Pika? Pika kick your ass. Other Pika. Pika kick your ass. Literally kicking your ass, actually. I don't know what this Pikachu's doing. Like, fucking Jackie Chan bullshit. I don't know, fucking... Oh shit, we got a second Switch. They're gray. It's very gray. I don't know why there's two Switches in here. I can't honestly say. I got this from a fan, and maybe my fan thought I was some bourgeois cuck with two TVs in my bathroom, like a president, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Homie, that guy had too many TVs. Shit. Alright, look at this shit. We're gonna open this one because it was covered in games. So it must be the money switch. The money switch. It's fucking boxes and shit. I don't fucking get it. Okay, you got the I don't fucking know. Oh shit, look at that. You got the box. The box is open. Oh man, I love opening boxes. That's a sex reference. I don't, you know, some terrible people call vaginas boxes. I prefer to call them sloppy tunnels. Anyway, so you got your sticks and your screen. you don't got your sticky screen, because I haven't jizzed on it yet. And let's see. Here's the stupid packaging. Fucking idiots. Alright, we got the instructions. And what appears to be the dock. I'm gonna confirm. Alright, what's this shit? I don't fucking know. I play Xbox. I don't fucking play fucking Nintendo. Shit, I fucking can't get it open. Look at this shit. It's a dock. When you're out with your friends, and you new Mercedes-Benz, and you're in love, that's the censored version for all you kids. It's okay. What the fuck does this accomplish? Am I just like, here's your cord protector. Here you go, little Gianni. It's your cord protectors. You got your AC adapter, your USP, and your homie out. My homie out the crib. I don't know. He's got the Nintendo cord protector box. It's also a very vertical bed for your Switch. Yay, vertical beds. All right, let's see what else is in this box. We got a proper frickin' joystick. You put your little Switch sticks up in this piece, and you can actually like play fucking games. Not like what is it? The boxing game? Punch Out? No, that's a real game. You know, Mario Odyssey. There. And what else we got here? What else? What else is in here? We got a cord. Maybe is this just like we got a rope with the plastic thing. I don't got a joke for this because oh crap, I've lost it. Found it again. Alright, that's cool. That's nifty. Don't know what it accomplishes. Might be in the instructions. Ah, dang. And we got the opposite side. What up? I'm gonna call them Flim and Flam, because I feel flim-flammed. Alright, and we got all the cords. We got the cords that you need protecting in the vertical sleepy box. We got, can I tell? I can't tell. Doesn't matter. This is the best. I'm definitely hook this bitch up and download a bunch of porn on it. Alright fam, that's my unboxing video. I'm selling this other bitch on eBay. That's my yoga mat, and this is your boy signing out. Peace.